Creating and selling digital products is an exciting opportunity, especially with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad, Etsy, and Notion at your fingertips. Let's dive right into how you can get started. First, you need to choose a digital product type. Think about what you enjoy or what you're knowledgeable about. Ebooks are a great option. Consider guides, planners, or how to content. Notion templates and digital journals are also popular. If you're leaning towards something visual, Canva printables can be a hit. To find out what's trending, check out Etsy or Gumroad. Simply search for terms like digital planner or social media kit to see what's currently in demand. Once you've settled on a product type, it's time to generate content using ChatGPT. This tool can help you create high-quality material without the stress. For example, you might prompt ChatGPT with, "Write a 10-page guide for beginners on budgeting," or "Create a daily productivity template for Notion users." The AI will provide you with a solid foundation, saving you time and effort. Now, let's talk about packaging your product. Canva is your best friend here. Use it to design eye-catching covers, layouts, and mock-ups that will attract buyers. If you're creating Notion templates, you can easily set those up within the platform and share them as links. When you're ready, export everything as PDFs or shareable links, ensuring your product looks professional and polished. Next, it's time to sell your creation. You have two fantastic platforms to choose from: Gumroad and Etsy. Gumroad is great for ebooks and guides with zero upfront costs, making it easy to get started. On the other hand, Etsy is ideal for printables and planners. When you upload your product, make sure to include high-quality images, a compelling title, and a detailed description. You can even use ChatGPT again to help craft the perfect product description. Promotion is key to driving sales. Utilize social media or Pinterest to showcase your products. Create short-form content, eye-catching carousels, or even offer freebies to attract potential customers. This will help you build an audience and drive traffic to your listings. As a pro tip, consider batching 3 to 5 products up front. This way, you can rotate promotions and keep your audience engaged, building momentum for your digital product business. And remember, you're not just creating products, you're building a passive income stream with tools that are already available to you. So get started today and watch your efforts pay off.